Ormond Beach, Florida, 5:10 on Sunday. Irma passing. Right now, Irma's a couple hundred miles away, around Fort Myers. But we're getting some pretty good bands. One little power outage came back on. Angry. Got my bug out trailer loaded. By the way, for anybody that's really interested, today is the peak of the 2017 season, meaning it's the exact middle from the beginning to the end. So we're only halfway there. Right now it seems calm, but you'll see those trees way over there are just shaking pretty good. In another minute, it'll come roaring through here. Right now the wind's only about 15, but then it'll kick up. Birds are bugging out. Look at them. I think they're going north early. Or they're going north because the storm is south. That was cool. Well, alrighty then. The calm. Gonna have lots to rake up when I'm done. Alright, in Ormond Beach, Florida, this is Runway. Have a safe day. Bring on the threes.